Perplexity AI releases a new shopping feature indicating what AI-powered search might look like in the future. YouTube says they have completed rolling out the feature which categorizes any vertical video up to 3 minutes long as shorts. Google announced that their top video and image generation AI tools are now available for their Google Cloud customers on Vertex AI platform. More details about these three and a couple of important news items related to Claude AI and Instagram coming up in this 250th weekly episode of the Connected Church News with me, Natchi Lazarus. Yes, it's been 250 weeks. If you stay till the end, I will share a few more thoughts with you related to that. But right now, let's dive right in and get into this weekly episode, which brings you the top 5 digital, social media, AI, and emerging tech news that you need to know for this week in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. A couple of big announcements from YouTube, especially for your video editing team or a video packaging team in your church or ministry. First is about longer YouTube Shorts. YouTube says they have completed the rollout of YouTube Shorts that can be up to 3 minutes long. So any vertical video that your team uploads on YouTube that are less than 3 minutes long will be segregated as shorts. You might want to check out the subscription channel and YouTube Studio to make sure that all your videos are properly segregated. The second thing is about list of practical tips that YouTube has shared to optimize your ministry video for television. They say that over 1 billion hours of YouTube content is being watched on television every day. So YouTube has given a list of tips, which is very practical. For example, they tell you how to go to YouTube Analytics and find out how many people are watching your ministry content on TV, how to create your thumbnail in high resolution. We will link to all these tips in the show notes. Perplexity AI has made one more announcement heating up the competition in the AI-powered search space. They announced this new shopping feature, which allows people to search for a product and not just get links where they have to open every link and go into the detail, do the research and all of it. But Perplexity will use the power of AI to do the shopping research for you. You search for a product and Perplexity will do all the hard work of comparing prices, comparing features, and give you a detailed list of information that helps you make a purchase decision. They've also integrated a merchant feature where people who are selling stuff can integrate their website with Perplexity using an API. Perplexity can store the addresses and credit card information. They can calculate taxes based on where you're located. So the idea is to make the overall user experience better using AI. Definitely something that Google and Amazon are going to be watching. Google brings 2 of its top image and video generation AI tools to Google Cloud. The announcement says that Image Gen 3, which is an AI image generation tool, and Veo, which is a text-to-video generation tool, are both available on Vertex AI platform. If you as a church or ministry or Google Cloud users, then this is something that you can take advantage of. Vertex AI is a Google Cloud platform which is used for building AI applications and also for machine learning projects. Having these AI tools directly built into a cloud infrastructure could be very useful, especially the statistics backs that up. Google says among enterprise companies with Gen AI in production, 86% reported an increase in revenue and an estimated of 6% growth. You can pass the information on to your technology team that Image Gen 3 is already available as of this week, and Veo is going to be available as a private preview. Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI, made a big announcement last week. They said that they are open sourcing a new protocol called Model Context Protocol, MCP, which is going to open doors for development of AI agents. If you have been following me for a while, you would have heard me say that the future of generative AI is agentic AI. And open sourcing of protocols that is going to enable development of these agents is a big step in the AI industry. The announcement says that MCP will be a new standard for connecting AI assistants to the systems where data lives, including content repositories, business tools, and development environment. It provides a universal open standard for connecting AI systems with data sources, replacing fragmented integration with a single protocol. This is going to have quite an impact similar to what happened when Meta open sourced Llama model. Two announcements from Instagram about Instagram stories and Instagram DMs, direct messages. Instagram DMs are getting new stickers, 300 new stickers, and cutout option. But what's more exciting is the next announcement where you can have nicknames, or you can change the names of people in your direct messaging group. This could be useful, especially if you use Instagram DMs for prayer groups and men's group and other small group requirements. You can actually change the names of, say, administrators or people depending on the ministry roles that they have and so on. The next is location sharing, which could be helpful if you're organizing an event for a small group. And Instagram stories now has a new post option called collage. Collage, as you know, is just you being able to select multiple pictures and add them to a single story. If you double tap on the picture, it changes the frame. It can have a circular frame or a heart-shaped frame, a square, and so on. This is the 250th VT News episode. So I just want to take a minute to express my gratitude. I just want to say thank you. We just had Thanksgiving week, so it's good to be grateful. It's good to give thanks. So I want to thank God first for helping us. And I want to thank you for following us, for being committed viewers, for subscribing, commenting, engaging. Knowing that this helps you is what has kept us going in the last 5 years. We started in 2019. So the last 250 weeks, we were able to keep this going in spite of all that happened, right? In the last 5 years, just imagine we've had a global lockdown, generative AI industry being born. We've seen lots of changes. In fact, even in our own team, we had so many challenges, so many geopolitical changes around the world, wars, and lots of things. In spite of all that, we kept going. We were able to do this consistently only because we knew that this was helping you. So thank you for the feedback. Keep them coming. On behalf of my team and everyone behind this show, I just want to say thank you once again.